This garden chicken pottage is a soup that I created, and I am sure you are going to love it. It is low in fat and high in protein, and it's absolutely delicious and will leave you full. Let's make some. You're going to start by cutting the ends off of 3 leeks. Then you're going to cut the leeks in equal parts, making sure you cut all the way down to the white part, and you're going to rinse your leeks after you have sliced them. Then we are going to move on to our zucchini. I am using 2 zucchini here. I am cutting the ends off. Then I am slicing them in half. And then I am cutting little pieces that are about 1 inch in diameter. You know that we have to season these vegetables up. So I'm going to season with some salt, some black pepper. You know I got to use garlic powder. Mix the seasoning in and then let your zucchini rest. I am chopping 4 cloves of garlic and also 1/2 of a regular white onion. This is going to add so much flavor to our soup. I am using 1.5 pounds of chicken. I have chicken breast and chicken thighs, both skinless and boneless. We're going to season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, turmeric, and thyme. Season both sides, and now it's time to put this together. We are using no oil in this recipe, so I'm going to add approximately 1/2 cup of warm chicken stock to my pot. I'm going to add my onions, my garlic to this pot, and also I'm going to add my leeks. We're going to cook this on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until the leeks and the onions sweat out and get nice and soft. We want these leeks really, really tender. Once the liquid has evaporated, we are going to add the remaining cups of stock, approximately 7 more cups. Then we're going to add our chicken in this pot. We want to basically boil the chicken in this stock. We're going to cover and boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we're going to remove the chicken from this pot. It should be smelling absolutely amazing right now. We're going to remove the chicken, then we're going to add the zucchini. We're going to cover and cook for another 10 minutes. While that's cooking, we are going to gently shred our chicken with a fork. And be sure to leave some big pieces because you want that nice texture. After the zucchini has got soft, we are going to add approximately 3/4 of that soup to this blender. We're going to puree it because this is going to give it that really nice, thick, hearty texture that we love. It's going to make the soup creamy even though we haven't added cream. We are adding the pureed vegetables back to the pot as well as that shredded chicken, and look what you have, this nice, thick, beautiful soup. It's going to be very fulfilling, very delicious, and you are going to love it. The full recipe will be listed in the comments, and if you want more delicious, healthy recipes, type yummy in the comments, follow and share.